Good. One person, please. Thank you.
That was my mom. My dad started was like, yeah. Before he died, I changed everything to him. I'm like, I just want my father. Of course.
How are you? Good.
Of course. No, I mean, I feel like you were here.
Upstairs.
And because
Thank
her and
you.
I were so alike, that's why we were so funny. Because personality wise, we are both coming from the strict. I'm not very sensitive. Even if very difficult, like, you like your father, I actually begin. Because I told her the truth. Yeah.
That's why I'll really try to live
Yeah, I think those are good questions to be honest.
why do you accept
And what's the gap between you and the twins? Why?
those are things that I really but if someone who likes to find out things, I feel like my mom
Yes, because when I was a kid, I think so it's perfect to me after 8 years. I don't get why. Each of them they're trying. And they tried, like they tried. Because now I found out that one of my dad's kids. So what happened was the other ones, apparently when they were young, yeah, older. So they came to stay over in my parents' place, but they were staying at my parents' which allowed them to stay in the house, they would go to the food, and then as they started growing old, so the boys everything was involved in
Vamos
When I see me, I didn't know who he was, so I went there with my wig, no makeup, I was dressed, brush up, I'm like, what's going on? It's late, it's at night, like,